everybody, here Pierre, host of Bedrock Change. Today we're going to talk about myth number 4, which is that I cannot deduct any medical expenses. That is actually not true. There's a catch to it though. So the IRS says that you can deduct medical expenses if they're in excess of 10% of adjusted gross income. So let me give you a quick example, okay? So let's say that your adjusted gross income is $50,000 and you have $6,000 of what we call qualified medical expenses. So then your medical deduction would be $6,000 less 10% of $50,000, which is $5,000, which will get you $1,000 of qualified medical expenses. So what are qualified medical expenses? Surgeries, preventative care, dental surgeries, false teeth, glasses, those kind of expenses are qualified. Now, what are non-qualified medical expenses? Non-qualified are going to be if you work for an employer and your insurance company reimbursed you for those medical expenses, you can't claim it. Also, another thing, non-prescription drugs are not reimbursable, unfortunately. So sorry, you can't get that aspirin because your boss is stressing you out. You can't deduct that. And lastly, those elective cosmetic surgeries, can't deduct that. So I know you want to look good, can't deduct that. Oh, and one more thing also, your health club or gym fees, those are not deductible under the IRS, okay? And one last thing, qualified medical expenses, if you do have qualified expenses that meets that threshold, the IRS does allow you to deduct the mileage incurred for trips to the hospital, you know, if you had to go get treatments, if you had to ride the bus, or you also have to pay for parking at certain medical facilities, those big hospitals. Those are deductible if you meet that threshold. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and let us know, and we'll gladly answer your questions. So thank you very much, and we look forward to presenting myth number 5.